All right, what we are going to do is demonstrate how to do a shingle repair on a 3-tab shingled roof. First thing you do, this is the shingle that we're going to do the repair on. We're going to remove this shingle and replace it. First, got to break the factory seal on all of the tabs. You're going to have to loosen the shingles above the one that you just did. All right, remove the nails from this shingle. All right, then you also have to remove the nails from the shingle above that one. So here's the edge of the shingle, so you're going to remove all the nails coming this way. Did they put enough nails in this now? All right, as you loosen the shingle that you're desired to take out, that shingle comes out. Now, for the demonstration purposes, we're going to pretend that this is now the new shingle, and we're now going to install the replacement shingle. You slide the shingle back into place. Make sure that you line up the keyways at the top, the tabs at the bottom, so it's a nice, even, straight line. And then you're going to nail one nail over the top of each of these keyways. Now, when you're putting these nails in, be certain to make sure that you lift the tab above far enough out of the way so that you do not strike it with your hammer, damaging the edge of the shingle and creating a possible leak directly above where you are nailing where you're driving a nail. Just make sure that the edge of the shingle is clear of the path of your hammer as you're driving the nail. So kind of damage that shingle there. So